Hello everyone, welcome to Tolulicious Kitchen. Today I'll be sharing the best way to enjoy your gizzard. When next you're preparing gizzard, try this peppered gizzard, prepared in a tasty way. It's because everyone that tried this asked for more and everyone wanted to see how I prepared it. That's the reason why I made this video, and I know everyone is going to love it. That's the reason why I'm sharing. Let's get us started. I've washed all my gizzard. I've removed every yellow stomach lining that might be inside. You can see it's very clean. I washed it several times. So I'm just going to go ahead now and add salt into it. I'll be adding seasoning into it. Feel free to use any kind of seasoning. You can use beef or chicken seasoning. I'm going to add garlic powder. You can use fresh one as well. It is good, no problem. I'll be adding ginger powder into it. Like I've said, feel free to use fresh ones. You can just crush them and add them into it. I'm going to add oregano. I just love the flavor it will add to it. I added fresh thyme. You can use dried one, no problem. I'll be adding diced onions into it. And I'll add a bit of water. I covered it and allowed it to cook for about 35 minutes to 45 minutes. Okay, so it depends on how tender you love your meat to be. If you want it very tender, let it cook for about 45 minutes. But for around 35 minutes, I remove this. I love it like this. So it's now time to be taking it one by one and cut it into four. I'm using turkey gizzard. That is why it is so big like this, and I cut it into 4 pieces. If you're using chicken, you can just cut it into 2 or 3. Now I'll be pouring vegetable oil into another pot. It is up, and now I'm adding diced onion into it. I'll be adding diced fresh garlic into it. I stir it gently together. I'm going to saute for about 2 minutes. Now into it, I'll be adding diced paprika. I'll be adding chili, that is crushed chili. I added seasoning, salt, and I'm also going to add ginger powder and a bit of curry. You can see so little of curry there, and I added just a bit of thyme, fresh thyme. You can use dried one, no problem. So I'm just going to allow them to fry for about 10 to 15 minutes. This is how they will look. The aroma it's giving is super. Now I'm going to add the gizzard inside. It is better to boil it the way I boil it before you cut it into small pieces. You will love the texture you will have instead of cutting it into pieces and boil it that way. I boil it first of all together before cutting it. Now I'm going to allow it to sit in this pepper and fry together for about 7 minutes. Okay, taste for salt and adjust, and lovely. This is so delicious. It is simple and direct truly, but very yummy. Thanks for watching.